Philippine court acquits Duterte critic Leila de Lima of drug charges. A Philippine court has dismissed the last of 3 charges against former Senator Leila de Lima, a vocal critic of former President Rodrigo Duterte and his war on drugs. De Lima was accused of various charges in 2017 shortly after initiating a Senate inquiry into Duterte's violent anti-drug campaign, during which thousands of users and dealers were killed by police or under mysterious circumstances. Critics and human rights organizations allege that the police conducted extrajudicial killings of drug suspects, which the police deny, claiming self-defense. Duterte, whose term ended in 2022, accused de Lima of colluding with drug gangs while she served as justice minister. "I am now completely free and vindicated. It's very liberating," an emotional de Lima told reporters after her case was dismissed due to insufficient evidence in a southern Manila court on Monday. "My heart is full with all the love pouring in today after the dismissal of all my cases," she wrote in a post on X. De Lima spent over 6 years in jail awaiting trial for 3 drug trafficking charges. She was released on bail in November last year, having been acquitted of the other 2 drug charges earlier. The final drug case dismissed on Monday involved allegations from 2010 to 2015 when she was justice minister, accusing her of taking money from inmates to allow drug trafficking within the country's largest prison. De Lima maintained that the charges, which carried a life sentence, were fabricated to support the drug crackdown. Multiple witnesses, including prison gang leaders, died or recanted their testimonies during the trials. The court also dismissed another charge on Monday, alleging de Lima pressured a former employee to ignore a 2016 summons by the House of Representatives regarding illegal drug trade in Philippine prisons. This case carried a penalty ranging from a fine to 6 months in prison. Amnesty International welcomed the dismissal of the bogus charges against de Lima, calling it long overdue. "This is full freedom and vindication, finally, for Leila de Lima after her nearly 7 years of arbitrary detention and relentless political persecution," Monts Ferrer, Amnesty International's Deputy Regional Director for Research, said in a statement. The decision was also welcomed by ASEAN Parliamentarians for Human Rights. Despite the flaws in the Philippine justice system, its judiciary remains independent and recognized what activists, experts, and human rights defenders have known for years: that the drug charges against Senator de Lima are baseless and she should not have spent a day in detention, APHR board member and Malaysian parliamentarian Wang Chen said in a statement. Duterte is under investigation by the International Criminal Court over the anti-drug campaign. De Lima stated on Monday that she would continue to assist the court in its efforts.